Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this animation, we will prove the Pythagorean theorem using a visual representation. A right-angled triangle with sides of length A, B, and C. Let's create a square with A plus B of side length. Area of both square is A squared and B squared. Let's fill our rectangle. Let's move A squared and B squared. Rearrange the R triangle. So the area under square is C squared. This relationship can be expressed as the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I hope you found this detailed proof insightful.